Alright, you guys, welcome to my class. We're going to be making this authentic restaurant salsa. So let's get into it, guys. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the video. Welcome back. Today we got another excellent class today. You know what I'm saying? I hope you've been enjoying these cooking classes. Today we're going to be doing the best salsa I've ever made, you guys. I'm going to teach you how to do it. So let's get into it real quick. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to show you about the ingredients. So don't forget, you're going to have 2 cloves of garlic minced up. You're going to have 1.5 yellow onions, you know what I'm saying, chopped roughly. You know what I'm saying? Because we are, you know what I'm saying, do a salsa. You can do 1 jalapeno pepper. You know what I'm saying, seeds or not seeds, depending on your spice level if you like. You know, I would say if you wanted them outer, take the seeds and the vein out, you guys. If you don't, leave everything in, chop it up as it is, and let it kick your butt when you eat it, because it's going to be really good. But hey, we are doing salsa, so you want a little spice in your life? There you go. All right, next you want to do 2, you know what I'm saying, 2 4-ounce, you know what I'm saying, cans of roasted, or you can do, you know what I'm saying, roasted you know what I'm saying, diced up tomatoes, or you can roast them up yourself on the grill. It's up to you, you guys. So make sure you have that. You know, do the 2 4-ounce cans of that, as well as you want 1 4-ounce can of, you know what I'm saying, oh, sorry about that. Let me go back to that. You want to have 2 14-ounce cans of fire roasted, you know what I'm saying, tomatoes. You know what I'm saying? Or you can just get some, you know what I'm saying, Roma tomatoes, roast them yourself, chop them on up. All right, next you want to have 1 4-ounce green chili. Now, if you don't know what that is, I'll show you that, you know what I'm saying, in the video, as well as you want to have half a cup of fresh cilantro. You're making salsa, so you got to have some cilantro, you guys. You know what I'm saying? So get a bunch of it, chop it up, you know, and have you know, so sorry about that, half a lime, you know what I'm saying, squeeze the juice, you know what I'm saying, and a half teaspoon of salt to taste. So let's get into it. We see we got in front of you this blender. Let's stop talking and let's get to blending. All right, you guys. So I'm gonna actually add in, you know what I'm saying, your onions first, you know, you can onion and your minced garlic, or you can just throw in your 2 cloves, you know what I'm saying, your jalapenos, you know what I'm saying, as well. Put that in, all in, minus devein. I don't want it too hot. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you put that in there. You know, and what next we're gonna do is you know what I'm saying, it's gonna be a little bit loud, so close your ears, guys. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna be blending this up to a smooth, and then we're gonna throw in the rest of them to post. All right, so now we're gonna be adding in our roasted, you know what I'm saying, tomatoes, you guys. So get your roasted, you know what I'm saying, fire roasted potatoes. Potatoes. Sorry about that. Tomatoes. And throw in your Roman tomatoes or tomatoes. Tomato. You know what I'm saying? It's up to you what you like. All right, you guys. And next, you gotta have cilantro. So throw everything in the pot. All we're gonna do is be posting this. We're not blending this all the way up. And last but not least, you're gonna add in your green chilies. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you add it in there. And I mind you, I deveined everything. Don't add them in seeds. But if you like to add in your seeds, you can. You know what I'm saying? Like that. So make sure you add everything into the pot. And last but not least, your lime and lemon juice. Put that in. Salt to taste, guys. I'm going to add a little my pink salt, my Himalaya. I did about 3 pinches. Throw a little 4. You know what I'm saying? In there. All right, you guys, so let's get to blend it up. Close your ears, because we about to get to blending it up. Well, I'm gonna just pulse it. So just get everything together. Want to keep, reason why I wanted to pulse it is actually to keep it chunky, guys. You know what I'm saying? So you don't want to blend it up too much. And it looks like we are done, you guys. So I'm about to get ready to grab this bowl, you know what I'm saying? Clean as you go, you guys. And we're gonna get to eating this salsa. All right, you guys, so we done with this restaurant style salsa. I'm telling you, it's amazing, you guys. Man, look, stop going out there buying salsa. This is the easy way to make it real cheap and reasonable and stuff like that. So what I'm gonna do is put it in, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Get ready to serve it up, guys. Now, can you tell me this don't look good? Now, I'm just saying. What y'all think? Let me know. Does it look good? Does it look good? Now, I'm telling you, this bad boy came out amazing. You know, so Let me know in the comments, have you tried this salsa? Are you going to try this salsa out? But like I said, this salsa is amazing. It knocks it out the park. Very simple and easy. Now you can do, roasted tomatoes. You can do all of those things, on your own. You don't have to, get a can. But I'm saying if you want something quick and easy and very, very simple, that's all you got to do, you guys. So I'm your Chef KC. Thanks for coming up through. If you're new to my class, welcome to my class. This is Chef KC. And hope you enjoy this authentic restaurant salsa, you guys. It's my version of it. There's always many variations. So I don't want to hear in the comments that, oh, this ain't authentic. Hey, there's many types, out there. But thanks for coming on through. Don't forget to come in, don't forget to come to my next class. And I will see you guys in the next one.